Well, there she is, boys and girls. Finally get a chance to take her out. We have a little bit of snow around here.
Woohoo! Yeah, man.
1985 Honda 250 SX. What's going on is that the clutch, it has an automatic clutch, and it's pretty much the same system on the CT90s, the little Honda mini bikes, all of them that have this little adjuster. You adjust the clutch the same way. And what's happening is when I'm riding it and shifting, just kind of hard to describe. It's not shifting the way it's supposed to. It feels a little loose. So I'm going to give it a clutch adjustment. I looked all over YouTube on how to do this. I couldn't find any videos, so I'm making one. Luckily, I have the original owner's manual, and in here it states how to adjust the clutch correctly. Pretty cool old manual. I'm glad I have it. Old motorcycle and ATV manuals used to give you a little information on how to maintain your vehicle yourself. Not nowadays. Okay, well anyways, and I understand there's normally a black cover over this area. Mine was missing. This is the same procedure on many Honda vehicles. Any of the ones that have an automatic clutch, this is how you adjust it. Alright, so take a look. On this particular model it says decrease and increase. But what you do is you have a you get a 14 millimeter, you break this loose. Oh boy, that's tight. Don't strip it, then you'll really be hating life. Okay. Alright, that's loose. And then I saw one dude say something about you want to turn it a little bit like that just to break things loose. But then what you want to do is you want to turn it counterclockwise until you feel, make sure this nut's good and loose. You want to turn it counterclockwise until you feel resistance, they say, which is right about there. Make sure that's not the nut. Yeah, that's resistance. And then you turn it 1/4 to 1/8 of an inch. So I'll turn it about 1/8 of an inch. And then you tighten this baby back down. Well, it looks like it's moving that. Yeah, so let's try this again. Get it loose. Make sure that's nut is good and loose so you're not backing up against it. And then you turn it counterclockwise till you meet resistance, which is right there. And then you go about 1/8 of a turn. And then you tighten this nut. You'll have to keep the screwdriver in place. Otherwise, everything will move while you're trying to tighten it. So a little something like this. All right. So let's test this baby out, see if it shifts any better. Well, other than shifting too soon there, I think it shifts definitely a lot better. So that's the trick. Thanks for watching.